Introducing GoClass, GoStudent's virtual classroom. GoClass is packed with interactive features to give every student a personalised learning experience. To get started, students and tutors need to log onto their laptop to use their camera and microphone, ensuring the lesson is as engaging as an in-person class. GoClass includes a digital whiteboard, a collaborative space where tutors can share learning materials, play videos, and visualise concepts, including difficult equations which can easily be used in our space. Students can also connect their phone or tablet to use the whiteboard to make collaboration easier in class. The chat function makes it easy to share files or links, and students can even save resources to continue revising topics after the lesson. There's also a notes section and a useful glossary to save crucial keywords. Plus, all key materials are accessible in the workspace as soon as the lesson finishes. Students with multiple subjects or tutors can navigate between workspaces to see homework assignments, so the learning never stops. Check out GoClass today by booking a free trial lesson with GoStudent.